So today is Saturday and I am about to head out and I'm going to my best friend's gender reveal. So it started 20 minutes ago. It's from 2 to 5 and per usual, I am late, or fashionably late, let's just say that. Yes, this is what I'm wearing and I really cannot figure out if I should wear this tucked in or just hanging out on the side. So it's just a sweater because it is freezing here in Houston, some jeans, and then some black boots, no heels. I feel like I look kind of nerdy. What y'all think? See, this is how I was wearing it at first. Yeah, just like that. So, you know, get a little flavor going. But yeah, and my hair, this style was unintentional, so let me tell y'all. Focus. This side was just hanging out. Sometimes it happens, like the longer pieces will get stretched and they'll just hang. And I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. It kind of reminds me of back in the day when you used to wear the two pieces in the front. I was like, let me just add one here, and I'm kind of feeling it. I am getting ready to head out, and that's pretty much all that I have on my agenda for today. I really would like to read, where is it? I want to read my book that I got, Charlemagne's Shook Ones. I got this book months ago when it first came out, and I'm only into the first chapter, and I literally just started picking that big book back up this week. I kind of abandoned that. I had that and the Michelle Obama book, and then I got another book. So I feel like I need to step my reading game up. I never used to be into reading like that, but when I read a good book and it, like, I'm hooked on it and it's really interesting, I can get through it pretty quickly. So I want to dedicate myself to finishing that book by the end of this month. Your girl has been on her game with working out and eating right, and I'm already down 2 pounds. I am at, well, overall, I started this goal of just trying to lose weight and eat healthier at 152. And I'm actually down 4 pounds. I'm at 148 right now. Just been trying to eat right, but I don't completely deprive myself of the things that I want because I love sweets and desserts. So if I want like a cookie, I'll have like a mini pack of just some cookies or whatever. It could be from any brand, or like maybe some gummy worms or something, and they're usually under 200 calories. They'll be like 150 calories. So I have that with water or with milk, and that's like my cheat snack for the day. My goal is just to stay under 1,300 calories each day, and then I have been trying to work out every day, at least 30 minutes to an hour. Yesterday I didn't work out, which is fine. I guess it was like my break. I planned on working out, but I got lazy, so I didn't. But I'm not beating myself up too much about it. I'm just trying to keep up with everything but not feel overwhelmed. I'm not calling it a diet. It's just a lifestyle change. So my goal is 135, and then I would like to build a little muscle, like I guess just tone up. I don't want to look muscular, you know, like Angela Bassett and what's love got to do with it? I don't want to look muscular like that. So yes, I'm thinking like a 130 with some muscle would be like the ideal, but my initial goal is just to hit 135 and to take it from there. I did a video on these lashes. These are actually really old lashes that I made just kind of look new, and I actually cut them up into 3 different sections and added individuals. So you'll see that. It may go up before after this vlog, who knows, probably before, but we'll see. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and yeah, let's head out.
We thought that we saw a girl in it, and I started crying. I was really crying. I said, I can't act like this. It was really a girl. I just did. You gonna have to. I know. This is the bump. You know my niece is crazy. I don't want a girl, but she's
Yeah. We were like, what are you gonna do if it's girly? She's like, we just want to hang out.
See, I don't want no girly girl either, because I'm not girly, so I'm like, oh my God, what am I gonna do with you? Please, God, please. What do I do to deserve a girl?
Shut up. Only one.
Y'all ready? 2, 3. We just talked. Got a little 80 in here, y'all.
Thank God. I didn't want to cry on camera.
I knew it was gonna be a boy.
I knew.
Now I can relax. Now.
Yeah, because you knew, huh?
Nerves is bad.
So I am back home from the gender reveal and it went really good, as y'all saw in the video earlier, but I'm really happy she got her boy and I will be babysitting, so we shall see. But I made a stop at Home Goods just to look. Wasn't expecting to actually buy anything, but of course when you go looking in stores, when you window shop, of course you're gonna leave with something. So I found this. It's just a calendar and it has notes on the side so you can write in the days, you can write what month it is at the top, and it was only $30. If you can hear that clicking noise, sorry, please excuse that, it's the attic. But yeah, I just really like, I'm a big fan of anything that will help me stay organized. So like calendars, my phone, planners, all those types of things. And I even had one like that was much smaller, but I like it this size, how big it is. That way I can put it up on my wall. And when I write things down, it really just helps me to actually not only follow through, but it just motivates me, like, okay, I have this coming up, I need to get this done. And that way I can see everything there, and it just is a good reminder for me as to what I have coming up or what I have planned. So I'm really excited to be using that. And yeah, today I've just been thinking about all kind of things. My mind is, it can be on like 3 different things within a matter of minutes. Certain things, just like buying a house. Like I never thought that I would really be thinking about wanting to buy a house so soon. But I think I'm definitely leaning into that direction. It just seems like the smartest thing for me. I've always wanted to live in like a really nice apartment downtown Houston. I'm such a city girl, so I've always imagined myself living in like a high-rise. But then when I think about it, I'm like, okay, I'm 27. I should really be saving money toward a house instead of, you know, essentially throwing money away living in an apartment. So that is my goal, to start saving up more money, to start looking at houses. And I really want to learn the process just about buying a house and everything that it entails. So yeah, I would definitely let y'all know, those that aren't already homeowners, just things that I find along the way, because it's a learning process for everyone, I think. So any way you can learn, I think, is a good idea. So yes, thank you guys so much for tuning into this vlog, and I will catch y'all in the next vlog. Bye.